To install JASP on your computer, go to the link up here, jasp-stats.org, and from the JASP home screen, click on the Download tab on the top. Now, rather than installing the latest release, which is 11.1, I want you to scroll down here on the left and click on the link to previous versions. There's a small issue with the latest release that causes it to crash when we load the Silk dataset. So just scroll down here to version 10. If you're installing on Windows, click on this link, the first one. And if you're installing on Mac, click on this link here, which is the third one. After you click on either of these, you will notice a download initiating in the Downloads toolbar. Wait for that to finish and then click, and that will launch the installer. Now just be aware as well, be careful to click the correct version, whether you're downloading on Windows or whether you're downloading on Mac. And version 10 is also the version that's going to be compatible with the most recently available issue of JASP's online guide, which is this one here. I'll talk about this in a later video. There's actually a full free guide available for how to use JASP. It's a student focused guide, and it's available up here in the support tab under JASP materials. So once you've finished downloading and installing JASP, have a look at the next video and I'll show you how to load the dataset.